Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This video will be showing you how you can create a list or a drop-down list in Google Sheets. Let's get started. First of all, you have to make or create a table like this. And here I have created my table, and we're going to put a list to this gift column. So the first thing we should do is selecting the column like this, and we can click on data. Then choose data validation and click on add rule right here, and on this criteria you can put the first option, the second options, and the third option, and you can choose it as much as you like. And for example, I'm going to put flower for the first option, and for the second option I'm going to add doll and book and also shirt. Right, and you can add another item by clicking on this another item button, or you can tap on enter to add another item. All right, and after that we can click on done. And then we can practice it. For example, for the first name I'm going to choose book, and for the second name I'm going to choose doll. Alright guys, and that's how we can create a list in Google Sheets. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.